man. We can buy this out back at our cocktail bar. We don't sell it in a jar. Mama teach you how to make it. This right here is our maple bacon Bloody Mary. So, has maple bacon moonshine in it and a Bloody Mary mix that we sell right here in the house. Now make your own jar of this, then go to Waffle House. So you can turn that restaurant to an episode of Jerry Springer. Don't worry about those waitresses. They're used to it by now. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I'd rather have been on Cherry than Maury any day, all right? Yeah, I ain't trying to run into no damn couch. This next one right here is made by Mark Rogers, Peach Moonshine. Now, I'm going to teach y'all some cocktails with this one. So, cranberry juice in it, then go orange juice in it. We call that sex on the beach. Take the cranberry out, put in pineapple juice. We call that sex behind Walmart. If you're classy, well, hey, you got a story to tell, don't you? If you're classy, sex behind Target. But if you like to get down and dirty, sex behind Dollar General. And don't worry, if you're all by yourself, you can always go to Five Below, all right? Mario, get you some peach. Bottoms up.